Hello YouTube, welcome to my garage. Today is going to be the first video of the winter of 2024 modifications. So what you see here is the two boxes of goodies I have. So let's go ahead and get these out and show you what I got. Alright, we got the boxes open. Let's go through the first box. Came packed like this. I used this to cut, didn't come with that. So this is their smooth operator kit. So got two new shift cables. One's the cross gate, and I believe that's left and right. And then one's the trans shifter, which is forward and backward. So very curious to see if this improves the shifting feel without a aftermarket shifter kit. This kit also comes with the shift knob. Feels great. The feels a lot heavier than the stock aluminum shifter, so we'll try that on. And then the reinforcer shifter kit, I'm gonna have help doing this. So this kind of bolts down the shifter assembly down through the car. So yeah, that's the first box from InnoKinetic. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that next, after this one. So this one is from BOE here. BOE is local to where I live. So this is their clam tilt kit. So if you guys don't know what a clam tilt is, essentially this whole part, you install this kit and it can tilt open. It's very cool, and it also helps with maintenance. So instead of working all your stuff through this lid, you can just tilt it up and get direct access to it. So so it looks like the first thing we have in this box is a battery relocation. So the normal location for the battery is basically right here behind the driver's side wheel, but this gets it closer to the passenger side wheel well, because when you're tilting the clam, you don't want the battery to go with the clam. So yeah, we got a nice aluminum, looks like aluminum, BOE. Luckily I do have this size battery already. I think I do have an Odyssey, but if not, a similar size. So that should fit well with the battery I got. Looks like we got I think this is stuck on something. This is a reinforce. I believe this reinforces the clam near the basically, once you unbolt it from the car, you bolt it to that to keep its rigidity, so when you're tilting it doesn't wobble around. A bunch of hardware. See here, looks like we got Velcro, a Allen wrench, cable, different plates, and I think these are the hinges. Got a bag of thumb screws. After you install this, you can take it off by hand, most of these. Another bag of hardware, and then a rear, what do you call this? I think they call this delete panel for the back. So this is where your license plate would go, and I think it covers the BOE, so you don't have to be a walk-in advertisement. So a couple things I'm gonna have to kind of figure out. The car already has a rear delete panel, and I do run a aftermarket rear diffuser. So my first question is if that rear diffuser is going to fit or work. I do have a tow hook here, So I hope that works. If not, I'll just remove that. The other thing is that I've often seen these done on cars without side scoops. So the complication is I think these two bolts connect to the top and this one connects to the body. So if you don't do something about that, you're gonna have to unbolt those 3 Allen screws every time. I do have a modification in mind to keep that. If not, we'll figure something out. Either go back to a non-side scoop like a normal Elise, or do something about that. So those are the couple things I'm gonna have to figure out with this kit. I also have a different exhaust, but I don't believe that will be an issue with the kit here that I've seen. But anyways, want to do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna clean up this mess, and we'll go into installing, which the first part is going to be just taking out the interior. So